Imagine a world where a hospitality team is trained to perfection. Welcome to GDVET, the future of hospitality training. GDVET provides students with a German standard hospitality education, combining 60 to 70% hands-on training within a 2.5-year program. This initiative supports businesses in the hospitality sector by preparing a skilled future workforce while reducing employment costs through trainee placements in hotels. Partnering with top vocational school in your area to ensure the education and training program meets the industry qualifications. Empower your business with highly trained professionals who excel in real-world scenarios. With GDVET's dual approach, industries can actively shape the curriculum to meet their needs, while evaluating and monitoring students' progress, ensuring a workforce that truly masters the craft. Prospect a brighter future for your business. With GDVET, you gain a competitive edge by investing in a workforce that's ready to meet the demands of the modern hospitality industry. Join the ranks of industry leaders who trust GDVET to deliver excellence. Elevate your service, enhance your reputation, and ensure guest satisfaction. GDVET certifications adhere from DIHK and AHK standards, ensuring high-quality training services. Our programs meet rigorous German vocational education standards. Here's what our partners have to say about GDVET.
Over 2 years, we have the possibility to take the students and to train them more deeply in each department, to give them more knowledge parallel to the theoretical education in Sawan. We can bring them that they also can learn the reception work in reality, not only played in school, but really can put them here on the field to get really well-qualified education in all departments, because we have 2 years time to work and to select and to work with the students and let their abilities grow.
GDVET, shaping the future of hospitality one professional at a time. Contact us today to learn more.